If we see the picture stories and details of how the Bible explains how Jesus provides answers to the storms in our lives, o tufufonga ma afatianga o lo tato wolanga, ua fati mai ngalu malolosi, ma ua tawhea ai le tato whamoe moe ma le whatu tua I le tua, whai mai I le whai upu I tolu valu, and he was in the hinder part of the ship, asleep on a pillow, a o ia sa I le taumuli o le waa, ua tō whā I le alunga. A tātou wawa ai lo loto le ata lea, o lo o pesi mai I timu ma hangi mai matangi malolosi, o lo o fati mai pe au o le sami, o lo o taavili vili I le tau o vevesi la uso, a o lai o moe file mu Yesu I le tau muli o le waa, o lo o tō whā ma toa file mu o ia, because when you are in touch with the power of heaven, as Jesus was, he can rest peacefully knowing he stays in contact with his Father. So the resting that he was doing, it was suggestive of the trust in his Father, so he could lay down and rest because he knew that all he had to do was na'olea, na'ole tatalo ilona tama. The fact is that when we pray, we invoke the power of God which is in heaven. But the disciples are crying out, Leawa oe, e te le manatu mai e ia mātou a whano. Master, don't you care that we perish? I shiver at the thought of that question because the disciples are questioning whether or not Jesus cares when we go through trials and storms in our lives. Does he care when it seems that everything around us is falling apart and the debris of our shattered lives are floating all about us? Ole talisa moa ioe e alofa le atua. Jesus cares. There is not a sparrow that falls from the sky that Jesus does not know. And if he sees the sparrow fall, does he care any less? Le eise manu ele pa u mai le langi le silafia Yesu. A whai e silafia e ia le manu pa u, ele sili ea lona lofa ya oima. Does he know about the family problem that you are going through? Does he not understand the debris that is crushing in on you and trying to squeeze the very life out of you? Does he not care for that loved one that you just lost in a destructive natural disaster? And the pain of separation is just breaking your heart. Yes, Jesus cares. So Jesus now stands up in the middle of the storm, in a rocky boat, and he speaks to the winds. Manavavao atu ile matangi, and the winds recognize him. The winds that were blowing out of control heard the voice of Jesus. Naalia. In fact, the command that Jesus gives is, be still. Inama lu wailea filemu. Talitonu ele yai sesio tato ele o I afatianga ma whaingata ole neolanga. Every one of us has gone through some storms and trials and some point in time in our lives. But o te whaftaile tua, I thank God that I know somebody who can tell the wind, be still. Filemu. O te whaftai olo o iaise tasi e tu lai moa I taimi whaingatā o le nei o langa. O le mana lava lea na whawhile muina ai leona I le tusi o tangielu, and cool the fire on the 3 Hebrews. When God speaks, miraculous things happen. Sa tu lai su o ngā tutonu o a whāma na whitalai. He does not stand for himself or just the disciples. Ai sa ia va ai masilasila mamao i le tātou vaitau nei.
Was nowhere near as powerful as the December
So that he can
2004
bring
quake.
peace into your life. Because Jesus, in his mercy and grace, is greater than any earthquake or tsunamis. Greater than any trials or challenges that you and I may ever face. O upolo na whionga pa ia na ia whetalai atu ia whāma matangi malolosi.
Where is your faith?
Malato file mua i lea. Ina malu wa i lea. Oh, strengthen ye the weak hands and confirm the feeble knees. Say to them that are of fearful hearts, be strong and fear not. Fayatu ya e wa vai, ye o tau fa malosi. Aua tau te whiwhi, whauta, o lo o tau atua, e o whio mai lava o ia, whahola ia te o tau. Jesus knows your pain. For he suffered the same separation from his Father that you and I are going through right now. Separation from our loved ones. Eli, Eli, lama sabachthani. In Aramaic, which means, my God, why have thou forsaken me? In his human agony, he suffered the separation from his Father, was Christ's experience in our behalf. Jesus was not questioning God the Father. He was quoting the first line of Psalms 22. My God, why hast thou forsaken me? Why art thou so far from helping me? Lo watuai. Se ale mea watu la fwai mai a tau. E tau mamao ma lau whaalutanga. Sa whapenale langona Yesu. Ilonga tu tino tangata le motusia o le mafutanga malona tamaa. Sa langona e ia lou langona ma lau langona. Pe a motusia le mafutanga matato a inga peleina. Ile sawa o le malanga le maliu maleoti. A deep expression of the anguish he felt when he took on the sins of this world. Leanga sala lea na mafuai na motusia le mafutanga malona tama, which has caused this day the separation we experience from our loved ones. Leanga sala ua hafia ile lalolangi. Ma fia ai le nā tura mea. Ai whamulmole sa moa awune i tātou tua ia le tua ele nei mea. E peo na o whaalongo i nisho o whailaunga i whale lawa singo na lato whapea. E leo soutou loto po lau manao. A whai lava le fina ngalo to tasi le tua. E le ai sa moa. Sui le ngota lea. E le fina ngalo le tua e whano se tasi. E o lava i le flu e le fina ngalo ai e mai sesi. Ai ia tātou maua le ola e whaavavau. O lona fina ngalo alofa lea. Sili atu lona langona ti ngā pe a otis te ngata. Lo o lau langona malau langona. E le fina ngalo le tua e whano se tasi. O le oti ia te ia o le mea ese. It's a strange thing. Pe tai e mawhai fo e lea li o nei lalolangi na sa veo le nā tura mawhai wavenga. I le tusi e whaalinga si furuono whai upu su whafa mai, for they are the spirits of devils